Welcome to this module on risk identification and test impact analysis, two vital elements of strategic test planning. Effective testing isn't just about executing cases. It's about identifying what could go wrong and deciding how to manage it. Let's break this down. Risk identification is the process of spotting potential problems that could affect the success of the software or the testing process itself. In software projects, risks come in many forms, from tight deadlines and ambiguous requirements to complex integrations or untested third-party components. Your job as a tester is to recognize these risks early, assess their impact, and prioritize your efforts accordingly. Start by asking the right questions. What parts of the application are most critical to users? What's new or changed in this release? Are there any known problem areas from previous projects? Are there components developed by new or less experienced team members? Answers to these questions help uncover risk hotspots. Risks can be both technical and non-technical. Technical risks include unstable code, performance issues, or integration failures. Non-technical risks might involve unclear requirements, resource limitations, or communication gaps. Identifying both types helps you prepare a balanced testing strategy. Once you've identified the risks, the next step is test impact analysis. This is where you evaluate how those risks affect your testing priorities, scope, and resources. Test impact analysis is about smart decision-making. You don't have unlimited time or budget, so you need to focus where it matters most. Let's say a new feature was added to a high-traffic section of your app. It introduces potential instability, so it becomes a high-risk area. Your test impact analysis might lead you to increase test coverage there, adding more test cases, using exploratory testing, or applying automation. On the flip side, if a module hasn't changed and has a stable history, you might decide to reduce regression testing efforts there. This reallocation of resources helps you work efficiently while still maintaining quality. Impact analysis also plays a key role in change management. When developers fix bugs or implement changes, testers need to analyze the impact of those changes on existing functionality. This determines which test cases should be re-executed, which areas need retesting, and where new test cases may be required. A structured approach to test impact analysis includes three main steps: identifying the change, understanding its dependencies, and assessing its effect on existing features. Tools like requirement traceability matrices can help link test cases to requirements and make impact analysis more effective. Both risk identification and impact analysis should be documented and updated throughout the project lifecycle. Risks can evolve and changes can have ripple effects. Regular reviews help keep your test strategy relevant and responsive. In summary, risk identification helps you recognize potential trouble spots early. Test impact analysis helps you focus your testing where it counts. Together, they enable smarter planning, better resource allocation, and higher confidence in the final product. Next, we'll dive into test estimation techniques, how to predict effort, time, and cost with accuracy. Keep building your strategic testing skills.